Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow changes to reduce loud sounds on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now we go down to the Allow Changes section and tap on Reduce Loud Sounds. Next, we put in the screen time passcode. And in here, you can select Allow or Don't Allow. By selecting Don't Allow, then you cannot make any changes to reduce loud sounds. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.